Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how to use up those leftover Parmesan rinds. So let's get to it. Okay, so Parmesan is a great thing for so many dishes, right? It's great on top of, freshly shaved on top of pasta. You can use it when you're making a mac and cheese sauce. It's wonderful, but eventually you get to that point where you have this leftover rind that you just end up throwing away. Well, you don't have to. Here's the thing. So every time you use up all the Parmesan and you have the leftover rind, throw it in the bag and put it in the freezer. Save them all so you can actually use it in later cooking. So here's what you can use Parmesan rinds in. So when you're making a tomato sauce, you can put the rind in there. When it's kind of cooking and simmering, just take it out before you serve and it'll add a really nice, nutty, cheesy flavor to your tomato sauce. It's also wonderful in bean soups, minestrones, broths, whatever sort of soupy thing that you're cooking, you can actually add this in. Just take it out of that freezer bag, put it into whatever you're cooking, and let it just like simmer along with your other ingredients. Just be sure to remove it before you actually serve the soup or sauce or whatever. But it works wonderfully in all of those things. It also works really, really well when you're making rice or quinoa. So instead of tossing out these rinds, toss them in your next meal. Super easy, a great way to cut down on food waste and add more flavor to whatever it is that you're making. If you like this tip, hey, give me a thumbs up. If you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week. And also, hey, if you have something that you want to see, drop a comment below. I'll see you guys next time.